Hi, Nick from LRM Products. We're the manufacturers of the VersEseal waterproofing systems. Today we're going to show you how to seal over an existing tiled shower at a fraction of the cost of pulling up the tiles and re-waterproofing. We're on the south side of Brisbane at a client's house to fix some leaking issues in their tile shower. If you see any signs of water damage, always get these fixed as soon as possible to prevent further damage being caused. In this video, we'll prep the shower, mix the crystal clear VersEseal and apply 3 coats to seal the area without removing any tiles. In the shower area, we don't have any loose tiles, but we do have some missing grout to deal with. First of all, we'll acid wash the tiles to remove any soap scum and contamination. When acid washing, always use a dilute acid solution and pre-wet the tiles and grout. You can clean the area with whatever is most suitable for your situation. Just make sure at the end of the cleaning process, you've used a fresh water rinse and make sure the tiles are clean and dry. We now need to remove the old silicone in the floor to wall joint and repair any missing grout. We'll let the grout dry for a few hours and then clean up the surface. If there are only minor hairline cracks in the grout, these can be coated over directly. The crystal clear VersEseal is a 3-part system, and then we have the optional grip additive. This system gives great cleaning chemical resistance, which is far superior to any competitor product we tested. If you're using this coating system on a deck, it gives great stain resistance to coffee and red wine, which are both known for staining issues. For showers, we have 2 different size kits. 600 grams, which is designed for 1.2 square meters, and a 1 kilo kit, which is designed for 2 square meters. We have larger packs for tile decks too. Next, mix together the Part A, Part B and Part C. The additives in this system are reactive and therefore irritant, so make sure you use gloves and eye protection when you are handling these materials. If you don't have any suitable protective equipment, just get one of our safety kits when you purchase your coatings. Mix the products together for 5 minutes at a slow speed in a well-ventilated area and allow to rest and de-air for 5 minutes. If you need a paint mixer, you can order this from us too. You'll have around 12 hours of work time once the hardener has been added, depending on the temperature. We're using the satin product today with grip additive to give us a P5 slip resistance in wet conditions. This gives great safety margin for kids and older adults while still being comfortable underfoot. Apply the first coating along the grout joins and level with a roller. Take care not to leave any excess or pooling material. Leave this to dry for 2 hours in normal drying conditions. This can be speeded up with a fan or warm air. Add the grip additive to the pre-mixed part A, B and C and gently stir in. Keep this mixed during the application process to avoid any separation. Once the first coating is dry, we'll apply 2 additional coats over the whole area with a 4mm nap microfiber roller. We use that for satin and matte products. We recommend using a brush for gloss finish. Leave 2 hours between coats and make sure you've used half a kilo per square metre as a minimum to seal the area. Leave the coatings to dry for 24 hours before using the shower. The coatings reach maximum strength and stain resistance at 7 days, so avoid using cleaning solutions or harsh chemicals during this time. So now you've seen how easy it is to use our crystal clear VersEseal product over your existing tiles. If you have any questions, would like more information, or would like to place an order, hop onto our website or give us a call.